Welcome to One Impression a Day, where I do one impression every single day. Today, it's Carl Wheezer from Jimmy Neutron, and I want you guys to know I really love llamas. I think they're the greatest animal who ever existed. This one's lost an eye. I don't know if y'all can see that, but he's still perfect in my eyes, just not his. Well, I also want to tell you guys, I'm voting for Barack Obama in the next presidential election. I really think he'll help in today's economy. So yeah, guys, I'll see you next time.